Hello my dear students. Today we will discuss question answers from chapter Energy. Short answer type questions. Question number 1. What is the role of simple machines? Answer. Simple machines are useful because they reduce effort or extend the ability of people to perform tasks beyond their normal capabilities. Question number 2. What is effort arm? How change in effort arm affects the effort required to lift the object? Answer. The part of the rod between the effort and the fulcrum is the effort arm. And second part, the length of the effort arm decreases, the amount of effort force required to lift the load increases. Question number 3. What is force magnification? And second part of the question, how simple machines perform force magnification? Answer. A force magnification is something that increases the amount of force. It can change a small amount of force to a large amount of force. Simple machine may reduce the force that can be applied to them. Question number 4. What are levers? And second part of the question, how levers help in reducing effort? Answer. Lever is a rigid rod which is free to move about a fixed point called the fulcrum. The object is required to be lifted is called load. The force applied is called effort. There is only a very small energy loss in a simple lever. A bar bends a little under the effort and this increases the amount of effort needed. So levers are very efficient machines. Question number 5. What are inclined plane? And second part of the question, why inclined planes are called simple machines? Answer. Inclined plane is a sloping surface. A ramp, a slope and a hill are examples of inclined planes. It makes easier for us to move object to higher or lower. Long answer type questions. Question number 1. How levers help in the lifting of objects, and explain first type and second type of levers. Answer. A lever affects the effort or force needed to do certain amount of work and are used to lift heavy object. Lever of first type or first class, the fulcrum lies in between the effort and the load. And mechanical advantage of first type of lever may be greater than, less than or equal to 1. Examples of first class lever: crowbar, seesaw, etc. Lever of second type or second class, the load is between fulcrum and the effort. Mechanical advantage of second type of lever is always greater than 1. For example, wheelbarrow, bottle opener, nutcracker, etc. Question number 2. Why pulleys are called simple machines? And explain the working of pulleys. Answer. Pulleys are called simple machines because it helps us to do the work more easily. The purpose of pulleys system is able to move a heavy object with less effort. The wheels are attached to brackets on the sides so that they can turn freely. It helps to reverse the direction of lifting force, where one end of the rope is pulled downward, the load on the other end of the rope is pulled upward. The more pulleys, the easier it is to pull or lift the object. Question number 3. Why nutcracker is a second type of lever? How nutcracker helps in reducing effort, and explain the working of second type of lever by taking the example of nutcracker. Answer: nutcracker is a second type of lever because the load is in the between the fulcrum and the effort. The effort is applied further away from the pivot than the load. The load is greater than the effort. Nutcracker is an example of second class lever. The fulcrum in the nutcracker is at one end, where the two metal rods of the device are hinged together. The effort force is applied at the opposite ends of the rods. The nut to be cracked open lies in the middle. Question number 4. What is wedge? Why wedge is called a movable inclined plane, and how wedge works? Answer: a wedge is similar to a pair of inclined planes. In other words, it is an application of the inclined plane that moves. Wedge is a piece of metal which is narrow and sharp at one end, while it is broad and thick at the other end. So, wedge is called movable inclined plane. Wedges are used to split wood. When force is applied to the thick end of the wedge, then thin end of the wedge moves into the wood, and this splits the wood into two parts. Define the following terms. First, simple machines. A simple machine is a mechanical device that makes our work easier. For example, a pair of tongs, a pulley, a knife, a screwdriver, a pair of pliers, etc. Lever. A lever is a very common machine. It is a rod which can turn about fixed point called the fulcrum. Complex machines. These consists of a large number of simple machines combined together. Examples of complex machines are swing machine, tractor, aircraft, bicycle, etc. Force magnification. A force magnification is something that increases the amount of force. It can change a small amount of force to a large amount of force. Effort arm. The part of the rod between the effort and the fulcrum is called effort arm. Load arm. The part of the rod between the load and the fulcrum is called load arm. Wedge. Wedge is a piece of metal which is narrow and sharp at one end while it is broad and thick at the other end. Mechanical advantage. The mechanical advantage of a machine is the ratio of the load to the effort. Thank you.